welcome.
Thank you.
The leader of the new Batatu party.
That's my price, though. My price.
And the incoming president.
Johnny. We have finished the competition.
So nyame pa bibia be ye. Hey, whatever. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. The general. The only chairman with a known image. You see, but more powerful in tree. Yes. Because the Chinese have used the Chinese to succeed. The Indians have used, Japanese have used their language to succeed. So I'm using my my elective language. Oh, that one you are there. Money. Very good. I'll take you there.
General, what's happening here today?
We are having like a national council meeting. It's a normal meeting. Why are you expecting something?
Oh no, I just wanted to ask you, since you are now the leader of the party.
I'm not the leader of the party. The national chairman is the leader of the party.
He's taking some break of leadership.
We have not officially heard from him. It's the family that was elected to us. But in the absence of the national chairman, they are vice chairman. The vice chairman takes over. The national secretary is not the leader of the party.
So it means chairman is not likely to show up at this meeting today.
Let's see. You will know whether he shows up or my party. I want to talk more. You are. Over meeting. Over support.
Una me breaking news na mo still meet me ko sia we dey tell reporter e wa Accra mani ko Alisa hotel better Mahmoud Bawumia office na ben Alisa hotel obekọ no mo adai so I desperate so no omoto ni die ni no wini a obe make sure obebo original ni can say national executive no by no so election obia nipa ofro bia ma meka obio
ye poster boy meka poster boy ya onka hu wonka se wa bo papa amemwo no wonim se buku na no wonder so ko Zimbabwe wo mo pamo no the current vice president Dr. Muhammad Bawumia wonim amemwo wonte chese buku na se no already kire ye na no kura no meka store yi secret bi a kire mo munim se de no be ready kire nyina nyo no ana na kire hey tie Mesedia na Dr. Bawumia be ready kire years or year lectures or year this I tell you on authority say nya Dr. Bawumia na kire da awo
otemenga
metonka fa at the same
me the flyer me the picture piece and see our breaking news me no kasa meeting air course see our Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia office
okay
Alisa hotel Accra I mean for the mount for the information was see any desperate for desperate enyagro
so Alisa hotel what did you about this time
oh abeku and how can you say uni so need to say nyame adoma etina NPP can so connect meeting no mbeko no and akoba say my cocoa report now on the buy no we yen say omo expand e can say electoral college no na ebim omo delegate on beto aba no omo increase number no e propose omonye kind of top to down approach instead of kind of bottom to up approach no omo person omo yen sane mo no person e bi person omo koto flag bearership ni wie and so be regional council national executive be I don't know what go see no council on regional executive no regional chairman for the secretary for nyina e meet one office na Alisa Hotel no say every I can't say regional secretary 20,000 cedis or the assembly mama no and every regional chairman so 100,000 that's 1 billion say it do explanation on the economy na for manuntu domini ga to flag bearer ni
Nigeria na mama Bawumia come wa hijack party ni sir why
any on the regional chairman no be form pa e be fa part na NPP for na kan for part
I don't remember Dr. Bawumia come wa hijack the whole NPP party will be on what party ni mu nche ye hoho abaji abosoma motete ho founders ni party ni mu
una me breaking news na mo still meet ni ko to sia we dey tell reporter e wa Accra mani ko Alisa Hotel Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia office na ben Alisa Hotel obekọ no mo
adai
so I desperate so no omoto ni die ni no wini a obemeki so obebo original ni can say national executive no by no mo so election obia nipa ofro bia ma meka obi
it's NPP party moja ma Bawumia NPP party founders ni ho so what are the so-called founding fathers of the NPP I don't know moja party na man wa hijack party ni sir
abegoi ebi a contract and another in sign so on take part in Kamfa. Ebi a say another na buy ebi a contract and sign so on take Kamfa. But NC and they are sure NC da.
Hey, Amampa Ghana for other
and one in the regional executive no be form parts. Now other people so almost no money against half a part. Then you be new NPP mo.
Mema sa party ni mwampa. Obi eni ho.
Yeah.
Obi eni ho. Sapa efiera. Mama nsuma wa Ghana sisia.
Yeah, second chance. Dr. Bawumia deserves another chance to lead the new patriotic party. Now, also near Dana Kumaso Ontuminye, we have learned, we have grown, we know the way forward. Na sebi, uwa welcome, uye addition, debia ube soreno, ube suya bibi. Say ye na yesuya, ne say ye, Nyankopon dom ye ya, ne say ye, ede igwa Ghana for. Dr. Bawumia se waye krado, na ne se oye, Emma Ghana ma biano, ono bejina ne nanso, na waye, ede ama Ghana ma. Ne se oye ma emebno, obejina ne nanso, aya ma mebno, ne se oye ma penyi abofra, obi biara owo Ghana. Obejina ne nanso na wayama na semba kuna mewoka to me ensesanipa to me edanipa suban edi sarauta be sake mutun sarauta na nuna halin mutun suban ya wani pemuno to me edanik to me emayehu says suban na in 8 years as vice president Dr. Bawumia na ho brasie ne humo bra wo woman nipa nyansa eda ne trimo adwempa owo ede magana fo sa time no say na otumi da say by ne no inshallah even as president he will be the same Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and even better. Inti ya kwa koyi obia obedi yenim no Mr. Mara me ma obi mpapa yente Mema yema obi ensisa ya adwene. Mema obi mesisa ya shebre. Isan say inshallah the next president of the republic Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Hunu. Kwame uko kroma wo hunu unse minim se o kan book we Bob Leto the ancestral sacrifice.
Mo de mo kan book so dodo.
Na ya wa brand bia na friend Bob Leto. Na Bob Leto no na wagimia to the sense say kura otimu no opia na obi aboje ne so. Ye na nanu so obi ampo bakwase awo bobi apena groje. Enti mi bisa abronye oya nim guase ma bonoman. He's a total disgrace to people of Bono region because you see, a coup for the buy or chain appointment. You kwame. What do you for CEO, for board, for ambassadoria? On chair me board back or daso. Se NPP mu eba Jimmy Sama na yasumano. Eba ningwasia na yasumano. But eba dodo dia wonka ho. Enti kwame abronye wonsue nyansa. Oh go Bono maya ni mase. You a total disgrace to people of Bono region. Regardless of what NPP no, or your bununi. And it's a menana me who say, bununi progress here. I find solace in that.
That's why your buzia.
Or your buzia, chi. Stephen in team. For buzia. Exactly. Nim dear for buzia. Stephen in team, a woman say, or young people, or your bununi. And it's a me who say, bununi progress here. I find solace in that. But oh dear, as I said, Jimmy, and the Pama on your swallow. And the NPP muno. Se ba jimisem eba atrodie eba nkwasiade a wona yesoma wo kwame abronye bafusua nyansa because show we so na ha na nyansa wo because ade a wo ye no obi bia oda na odwen na international diplomacy o chiase no why expose the laughter of the presidency because ma wiase nyina hu say ye ntwiti ye former president ye but you see let me also say this to President Akufo-Addo now. Yes, said the Nyankopon bi anka no to nka konfonsam na akoto so obi so we fo nsa oba fi a behwe wo de ode ya mahama yi
aba so e de bo cheche
ya de bebo ba
bring your hand
how will change and you see logically for President Mahama say me te hey muntua me light bill muntua me rent so straightforwardly so ba be counter you will counter based on that premises now what will be obi abodi kabanche on near body and Kotabanche. And it look as if within the NPP architecture, no, they have a deficit in common sense.
It's
NPP party, my jam about me. NPP party founders in the hall. So what are the so-called founding fathers of the NPP? I don't know what party naman mo hajaki party nisa.
Ebi a contract and another in the sign so on take part in Kamfa. Ebi a so another in by ebi a contract on the sign so on take Kamfa. But NC they are sure NC that.
Hey, I'm on Ghana for other.
And then one in the original executive no perform parts. Now other people so almost so no money against half a part. Then you be new NPP mo.
Mema sa party ni mwampa. Obi eni ho.
Yeah.
Obi eni ho. Sa pa efiera. Mamen suma wa Ghana sisia.
Yeah, second chance. Dr. Bawumia deserves another chance to lead the new patriotic party. Now, onoso niendana kumaso ontuminye. We have learned. We have grown. We know the way forward. Na sebi, uwa wukom, uye addition, debia ube soreno, ube suya bibi. Say ye na yesuya, near say ye, Nyankopon dom ye, near say ye, at the Iguagana for. Dr. Bawumia say, why ye crado, na near so oye, Emma Gana Mabiano, or no Bejana and nine so, now why ye, Eddie Amagana ma. Neso oyema emebno obejina na nan so ayama mebno neso oyema penyin abofra obi biara owo Ghana obejina na nan so na wayama na semba ko na mewoka to me ensesanipa to me edanipa suban edi sarauta be sake mutun sarauta na nuna halin mutun suban ya wani pemuno to me edamid to me am I says Subino. Now in 8 years as vice president Dr. Bawumia na home brassier ne humo bra wo woman nipa nyansa edani trimo adwempa owo edemagana fo time no say na otumida says Subino. Inshallah, even as president, he will be the same Dr. Bawumia and even better. Inti ya kwa koyi obia obedi yenim no. Mr. Mwara, memma yemma obi mpapa yente. Memma yemma obi ensisa ya adwene. Memma obi mesisa ya shebre. It's say, inshallah, the next president of the republic, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud.
So what Europe and America was in this Kadiaba Ghana, they send with money transfer no and American for a day amount. Send network ben no use wait me a day ascend it. So we send a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait to me a day ascend it. Now I was saying it is a first transaction no ubenya a $20 free. The answer be using a promo code JSXM2 and a screen so offer or first transaction ubenya a $20 free. Meaning they actually bring Yalan Media Ghana.